Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
I think you have to look at it from a scientific standpoint. No, when you conduct a trial, you have to register the trial, no, in clinicaltrials.org, and there is this body of people looking at your protocols. Paano mo i-design ang trial? How will you choose your samples? And throughout the entire trial, ginabantayan siya sa scientific community. Kung ang mga steps ba lang na follow, and when you finish a trial, you have to publish it for the world to see and critique on how these trials were performed. And so far, for all these vaccine trials, these steps were performed properly. And as I've said, dasig lang siya because sang una, siguro 5-10 years, bago na ito mabalaan kung ano gid ang genetic code for a polio virus. But currently, in less than a year, we are able to extract the genetic sequence of the COVID-19 virus. So that skips a lot of processes and therefore, amo nang reason nga dasig kita.